there, welcome to the Serendipity Snippet on how to make colonial knots. Colonial knots are actually very similar to French knots, and they stitch up a little bit bigger than French knots, but they're certainly usable in any situation where you might want to use a French knot. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make a sort of a little loop on your surface of your canvas in the shape of a sideways U there. Take your needle and go under that top part of that loop. Then take the thread and wrap it over the needle. And then take your needle tip and insert it into the canvas one thread away from where the thread is coming out of the canvas from when you first started. That gives that knot a place to sit on the canvas. And then you just pull through until that knot is sitting snugly on the surface of your canvas. Thanks for joining me and have a great day.